Okay, so today we are going to try a really easy recipe, okay? Cassava flour tortillas. These things are awesome. Now, the reason I'm eating these things now is because I just read a book recently called The Plant Paradox, and it's about eating a lectin-free lifestyle. Basically, you're eating much better, and one of the main things you get rid of is grains. So cassava flour is a grain-free flour that is from the yucca plant, I believe. But anyway, I'm not going to get all into that. I'm just making an easy cassava flour recipe. Okay, now every single recipe I'm going to make is easy. Because if it gets more than 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ingredients, you start losing me. So all my stuff's going to be easy. Alright, so this one's real easy. Anthony's cassava flour. I tried Otto's, and then I was on Amazon, and someone said, oh, try this one. It's cheaper, tastes just the same. Tried it, can't tell the difference. Love it. Alright, olive oil and some coconut milk. I got this one. I'm not sure what a lot of the other ones taste like, but this stuff is awesome. I love this stuff. But that's all you need. 1 cup cassava flour, ½ cup of coconut milk, and 4 tablespoons of olive oil. And a little bit of salt too, so I put salt in there too. So I'll put some salt in there too. All right, so now we got 1 cup of cassava flour. We've got 4 tablespoons of the olive oil. Added in some Himalayan salt here. Got some coconut milk. That's it. Put it all in the bowl and you mix it up. Mix it all up. Get it to where you want it. Get good consistency. And next we will put them all into little tortillas and make some tortillas. If it's a little dry, no problem, you know. Just add a little bit more coconut milk on there. And get it to where you want it, you know, so you can make some good portions here. And that's pretty much all you need to do. Alright, so this thing is a tortilla press that I was browsing around Amazon. I saw it and I said, you know what, I'm going to try that. I saw some really good reviews on there. But you can just use a baking pan. I've been using a baking pan for like the last month. And all you need is just some wax paper on the bottom, put wax paper on top, put the dough in the middle, and just, you can use a rolling pin. You can just mash them out by your hand or whatever. But this thing looks like it might make some, might put a little go in my production line for my tortillas. All right, let's see how this goes. We're gonna put a little dollop down here. See what happens. I am gonna put a little wax paper on top just to keep it a little bit easier so I can get this thing off. Let's see what happens. And crank this thing down is what it says. Let's see what we got. Let's see how it turns out. Oh yeah, look at that. That is awesome. Love that. That's great. Okay, so let's peel this thing off. Let me get a spatula, see how easy it is to get this thing off. Not too bad actually. It might be a little worse. I kind of go around the edges just to make sure it kind of slides off pretty good. And then we'll transfer it on over to the frying pan. Alright, so it's in the pan, just regular old pan. I didn't even put any oil in it or anything. I just turn it, put it on number 3, put it on there, and just let it cook. And you're gonna wait till you see like some little bubbles forming on top, and then you know it's time to flip it. And then honestly, it really doesn't take that long. So, and get it to a consistency you want, and then just put it on a plate. Another thing with these things is you can make them as flexible as you want them, like maybe cook them less to make them a little more flexible or not, you know, but they're still pretty flexible. You know, this thing's still cooking a little bit, but It's fine. You know, you can easily use that however you want. All right, the first one's on the plate. I'm just gonna keep doing this process, finish them all off, and then we'll chat. All right. We got the finished product over here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These things are great. Like anything I used to use for bread, now I just use one of these and make like a little taco. You can put fish on there, salmon, cod, whatever. You can put tilapia, you can put chicken, steak. These things are delicious. I have not converted my entire family. I am working on it. But you know what? They like them too. But it does take time, right? So a good friend of mine had said, and I am getting a lot older and I want my kids to eat better too. So life's too short. You know, people take care of a lot of things in their lives, but maybe they don't take care of their bodies as well as they take care of some of the other stuff in their life, you know? So life's too short. Might as well try to take care of my body while I can and live a nice, healthy life. We'll see. Can't be perfect all the time, but, you know, do the best you can. And like I said, I see some candy back here. Oh, yeah. I see some cookies. Still working on everybody else, but slowly but surely. Maybe it won't be perfect all the time, but we are going to eat better. I guarantee it. All right, so one of the other things is like any of the stuff I ever use, like this tortilla press or maybe some kind of like the cassava flour or whatever. If I find something I like it, I'll put it on my website. It's trouthaus.com, TRAUTHAUS.com, trouthaus.com. And you'll find some other stuff on there too, just relating to some of the other videos that I'm working on. So talk to you soon. Bye.